How to make sea moss gel. First, you want to go ahead and wash out and rinse the sea moss. You're gonna have sand, debris. You might find a seashell in there or whatnot. Go ahead and wash that off. Typically 2 to 3, maybe even 4 washes with just regular tap water will get you right. Look at this sea moss looking real good. You want to add some key lime juice to the sea moss. Key lime with spring water makes the water alkaline. That's a hidden benefit. Add 2 cups of boiled spring water to your sea moss. Let it sit. This is the tip I use so I don't mess up my blades on my blender. By adding the boiled water, you will help your blender blades from breaking down sooner than what you would like for them to. Let that sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Now to make the gel, you would add 1 cup of the sea moss, 1 1/2 cups of spring water. Blend that together for 60 seconds. Take off your top, add 1 more cup of spring water. Blend that one last time, and this is what you get.